This morning I opened up my TikTok. Hundreds of people had reached out to me. Somebody said, I'm in my late 20s. What do I do to prepare for the rest of my life? Another person wrote, 59, just got divorced. I have to start over. What do I do? Message after message, hundreds, just like those. People are not asking what kind of camera that I'm using. They're not asking me, how did I get so many videos to go viral? How many followers do you have? They're asking, can you help me? Hit me super hard. Know exactly what it's like to start over, exactly. I lost businesses, my marriage, battled alcoholism, heart attack, health problems, bankruptcy. I've had to look in the mirror and admit I did that, and I had to change me. Nobody was coming to save me. I had to rebuild one decision at a time. That's why I make these videos every single day. Not because I have all the answers, but because I've been down that road. Here's what I realized this morning. I really can't spend 5 or 6 hours every day answering hi or how are you or thank you, I'm sorry. If I do that, I won't have time for anything else. The videos that help people, the coaching that I do, so many people I help. Decided to do something different. I'm gonna open up a limited number of 30-minute accountability calls. I'm not a psychologist, I am an accountability coach. We'll spend 30 minutes once a week talking about your goals, your finances, your health, your relationships, your habits, where you are now and where you want to be. We'll create a plan that works for you. We'll celebrate your wins, talk honestly about where you're stuck. Most importantly, I'll hold you accountable. Here's what I've learned. Most people don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because nobody says, hey, how you doing today? Did you do what you say you were gonna do? That's what these calls are for, man. That 30 minutes a week for $50, simple, affordable, focused on helping you keep moving forward. If you're serious about rebuilding your life, send me a DM. I would love to talk to you about what you need. And then we'll figure out if we're a good fit to work with each other. No hard sell, no pressure, just two friends talking about whether I can help you or not. My name is Eric. I am an accountability coach and I help people start over. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.